Welcome to FDSA Aviation College of Science and Technology.
FDSA Aviation College of Science and Technology is one of the country's premier institution and model of excellence in aviation and in science and technology education.
It is an institution of excellence for those who want to enhance their career and professional fortunes in aviation industry.
FDSA Aviation College of Science and Technology can help you reach your goals. It has facilities to cater your educational needs.
It upholds the highest standard in all the programs of instruction, research, and flight training to meet the demands for world-class engineers, technicians, pilots, flight crew and airlines managers.
FDSA Aviation College of Science and Technology has been training professionals for the aviation industry for years.
With lower tuition fees across the nation, the school's pride are the lecturers who are experts in their individual fields, state-of-the-art facilities and first-class lecture rooms, to make teaching and learning attractive. Enroll now at FDSA Aviation College of Science and Technology. Your future is in the sky.